In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change thermostat in-house. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of replacing the thermostat that you have available in your house. So first, make sure that you choose a good model. In this video, I'm not going to go too much in detail about what the best models are. However, nowadays, there are various different thermostat models to choose from. I recommend that you do your own research, whichever one is more effective, power saving, or has the features that you need. A lot of these are modern and they will fit into any house. So once you find a specific thermostat model that you like, go ahead and purchase it. Now, generally, the steps are the same. Unfortunately, for this video, I cannot give you a lengthy explanation on how to do this. You will have to turn off power to the AC in the furnace, and after power has been properly turned off, remove the face of the old thermostat, take a picture of all of its wires, and disconnect these old wires. Now, by removing the old mount, unscrewing the mounting plate from the wall, you will be able to put on the new thermostat mount and connect the wires in the same way that they were set up before. You screw the faceplate and you essentially mount it back. The most important thing is to remember the configuration of all of these wires. This is why you should always take a picture before you take them apart. If you aren't comfortable doing this, or you believe that it is too much work, then the best course of action is going to be to hire a thermostat repairman near you. There are various people or various companies that you can contact to get this done, and usually it is going to be a good quote. So if you aren't feeling comfortable, I would highly recommend just calling a technician. If you want to do this, make sure that you pay attention to the wiring before you take it all apart, and you just repeat the same steps. Most thermostats will include manuals for you, so you don't have to worry. Just follow the manual and you will be able to get this done. If you notice that after you change it doesn't power on, then you should go ahead and contact a thermostat repair pro. I hope I was able to help you on how to change thermostat in-house. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.